Once you have published your transport request on Saloodo, you will receive offers from the transport companies connected to Saloodo within a short time. In the list at the top you will see the offers that exactly meet your requirements. Below you will see additional offers with different requirements. These offers differ from your originally requested time or the additional requirements, but may still be of interest to you. When you have found a suitable offer, click on Book Now. Now please select your desired payment method. There are a number of possible options available to you. We do not charge you extra for any of these payment options. On the right-hand side you will find a summary of your shipment details. This allows you to check the details and route information again. To complete the booking, click on the button Buy Now. In order to ensure the smoothest and fastest possible transport process, enter the required data of the contact person at the pickup and delivery location here. Please remember that the specified contact person must be on site. Finally, click on the blue field, Save Order. Your transport will now be carried out.